In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to buy NFL Sunday ticket as YouTube TV add-on. Let's get started. Begin the sign up process by entering your chip code. This helps YouTube TV determine your home area and show you which local channels are available with your base plan. Select the base plan plus NFL Sunday ticket option. Remember that NFL Sunday ticket through YouTube TV requires an active YouTube TV base plan. Under choose a payment option, select whether you want to pay for NFL Sunday ticket in full or use a monthly installment plan if available. If you also want NFL Red Zone, select the plus option next to NFL Red Zone with the Sports Plus add-on. Review the additional cost before continuing. If there is a special offer available, the discounted price should appear during checkout. If you have a valid promotional code, enter it in appropriate field. Select Next, Checkout, and review your YouTube TV and NFL Sunday ticket purchase details. Enter or confirm your payment information, then complete the purchase. Make sure your payment method is valid and that any pending charges are processed successfully. After completing your purchase, you should receive an email confirming that your YouTube TV and NFL Sunday ticket membership has started. If you don't receive the confirmation, check whether your payment was declined or is pending. Your YouTube TV base plan must remain active throughout the season to continue accessing NFL Sunday ticket through the YouTube TV add-on. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.